Okay. So we have seen the methodology of solving Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay, now we are going to apply this technique to solve the problems related to mm, Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay, so take the problems. Note down the first problem. Y dash plus y by 2x equal to x by y cube, x by y cube with y of 1 equals to 2, with y of 1 equals to 2. So this is an initial value problem because the differential equation with the initial condition is given. So first to find out the differential general solution of the differential equation which contains an arbitrary constant, then use this condition to find out the value of that constant. Okay. So what is given? dy by dx plus 1 by 2x into y equal to x into y power minus 3. Is it not Bernoulli? It is a Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay, with what is p? With p of x is equals to, are you there?
1 by 2.
1 by 2x and q of x is equals to, what is q of x? Okay, I think we don't need to write all these things. Okay, I think we shall directly do the method. So if because it is a Bernoulli's differential equation in the variable, in the dependent variable y, in the dependent variable y. Okay, so what we do, what is the procedure in Bernoulli's differential equation? Right hand side we want to see purely function of x. So I don't want to see this y power minus 3. So for that what should I do? Multiply both sides with
Divide
the y, multiply both sides with the y power 3.
3.
Am I right? So y power 3 into dy by dx plus 1 by 2x into y power 3 equal to x. Okay. Now you got this form of the differential equation. What is the next step? This one, right?
Substitute y power 4 as the
So let y power 4 equal to u. Let us say u. Then 4y cube into dy by dx equal to du by dx. This implies that y cube dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4. So template is same, procedure is same. Once if you identify this as a Bernoulli differential equation. So this is from equation 1. Call this as equation 2. And therefore equation 2 becomes 1 by 4 du by dx plus 1 by 2x into y power 4 is u equal to x. Is that okay? So next what I have to do? I have to bring into standard form. For that what I have to do? Multiply both sides with the 2. Standard form means what? Du by dx quotient must be
4.
1. So I have to multiply both sides with the
4.
4. So du by dx plus 2 by x into u is equals to 4x. Okay. So which is which is linear in D, linear in u, which is a linear differential equation u. So what is integrating factor? E power integral
E power 2 by x.
2 by x dx. So what is its integral? 2 log x. So this is e power log x square equal to x square. Okay. Therefore, call this as equation 3. Call this as equation 3. Okay. Therefore, what is the general solution of 3? General solution of 3 is u into integrating factor. Okay. Integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into, okay. Or I'll write down that integrating factor directly. U into x square equal to x square into what is right hand side function here? 4x. Do you see that? 4x dx plus c. So ux square is equal to 4 is constant. X cube integration is x power 4 by 4 plus c. So what is u? U is y power 4. Substitute back. So y power 4 x square equal to x power 4 plus c. X power 4 plus c. Is our solution completed? Do we have to do anything else?
Initial
Use the
condition.
initial condition. Use the initial condition to find out the value of c. What is given? Y of 1 equals to 2. So what do you mean by y of 1 equals to 2? Y of 1 equal to 2 implies, that means what? When x value is 1, y value is 2. Therefore substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 2 in the general solution. That means 2 power 4 into 1 square equal to 1 power 4 plus c. That means what is c? 2 power 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Therefore, the solution, now you have to write it as a solution, not the general solution. The solution of the given t is y power 4 x square equal to x power 4 plus 15. Is it okay? Do you understand? So that is how we solve the Bernoulli's differential equation. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed to the next page? Next question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Note down the second problem. y square dx plus xy minus x cube dy equal to 0. Xy minus x cube dy equal to 0. Okay. Now clearly you can see that it is not an exact differential equation. It is not an exact differential equation because dou m by dou y is 2y, dou n by dou x is y minus 3x square, which are not equal. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x means it is not exact. So when it is not exact, we will go for integrating factor. In that integrating factor process, you will try to see first whether it is a linear differential equation or not. Can it be a linear differential equation in y? Can it be linear differential equation in y?
No, sir.
Because you see y square. Okay. So can it be linear differential equation in X?
No. No.
No, again you see x cube, because you are seeing higher powers of x and y. This is neither linear in y nor linear in x. Okay, so when it is not a linear differential equation, then try to see if it is a Bernoulli's differential equation. For Bernoulli's differential equation, either you write it as dy by dx or dx by dy. If I try to write it as dy by dx, first bring the second term to right hand side, x cube minus xy dy. If I write dy by dx, don't write, just listen, observe. If I write dy by dx, what do you get? Y square by x cube minus xy. Is it possible to write it as Bernoulli dE?
No, sir.
No. So this way of writing is not useful. So what about dx by dy? Do we get any useful form? Dx by dy. If I write dx by dy, what do I get? X cube minus xy by y square. Okay. So which is x cube by so how can I rewrite this? Can I write this as dx by dy plus this is minus 1 by y, right? This is minus 1 by y. When I separate the terms, this is minus 1 by y. So this is x cube by y square minus 1 minus x by y minus x by y. So when I bring this minus x by y to left hand side, 1 by y into x is equal to 1 by y square into x cube. Now, can you identify this differential equation? What kind of differential equation it is? Bernoulli in what variable?
X.
In
X.
the x. Okay, Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's d in x. Bernoulli's d in x. Therefore, now you solve this Bernoulli differential equation by interchanging the rules of x and y in the previous method. So what should I know? What is independent variable? Independent variable is y. Remember, independent variable is y. Dependent variable is x. So we don't want to see the dependent variable on right hand side. We want to see purely function of y on the right hand side, independent variable. So what is the next step we have to do? Divide both sides with x cube or multiply both sides with 1 by x cube. Then what do you get? 1 by x cube into dx by dy plus 1 by y into 1 by x square equal to 1 by y square. And from here onwards, everything is routine. So what is the next step? Which one I have to see? I think is there any mistake here? Right, that's it. So what is my next step? I have to consider this 1 by x square as 1 by x square as u. Then I have to differentiate with respect to y. That means what? Minus 2 by x cube into dx by dy is equal to du by dy. This implies that 1 by x cube into dx by dy is equals to minus 1 by 2 du by dy du by dy. Okay. So call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2, okay, and call this as equation 3. Therefore 3 becomes minus 1 by 2 du by dy plus 1 by y into u equal to 1 by y square. Okay, so this is a linear DE but not in standard form. To bring it to standard form, multiply both sides with minus 2. Okay, then what do you get? So du by dy minus 2 by y into u equal to minus 2 by y square. Okay, so which is a linear DE? linear dA in U. Therefore, find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral. Sign is also important. Okay, minus, this minus also you have to take. So minus 2 by y into dy equal to e power minus 2 log y equal to e power log y power minus 2. So what is e power log y power minus 2? Y power minus 2, which is 1 by y square. Okay, call this as equation 4. Not this. Call this as equation 4. Equation 4. Okay, therefore general solution of 4 is dependent variable. What is dependent variable here? U into integrating factor. Integrating factor is 1 by y square
One by
equal to integral of 1 by y square into what is q? Q is right hand side function. Right hand side function is minus 2 by y square. Okay, so if you have clarity on what you are doing, then you don't do any mistakes. Simply the flow will go nicely, so that you will be able to integrate easily. U by y square equal to minus 2 into what is you have to integrate y power minus 4 dy plus c. So what is integration of y power minus 4? Y power minus 3 by minus 3
minus
plus c. So this implies that what is u? U is nothing but 1 by x square. Therefore 1 by x square y square equal to 2 by 3y cube plus c. That's it. And if some initial condition is given, then use the condition to find out the value of c. If that is not given, simply this is the general solution. Is this clear to all of you? So your Bernoulli may be Bernoulli in y, it can be Bernoulli's in x also. Okay. Shall I proceed?
yes, sir.
Shall I proceed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take the third problem. dz by dx plus z by x into log z by x into log z equal to z by x into log z whole square. Z by x into log z whole square. Now you are asked to solve this differential equation. Now, any idea what to do first? Is it linear? Your first question, is it linear?
No.
Is it Bernoulli? Is this Bernoulli? Bernoulli means what? Is it Bernoulli? Then what is the general form of Bernoulli? Dz by dx plus
No.
some p of x into z must be equal to q of x into z power r. If it is like this, then only it will be z Bernoulli, you know. But here what is z coefficient? Z coefficient is 1 by x into log z is there. But you want only z. On right hand side also 1 by x is q of x and z power r must be there, but log z whole square is extra. So is it Bernoulli? Is this Bernoulli? This is not a Bernoulli differential equation. Then what to do? What type of questions we are discussing? What is my side heading? DE reducible to linear. So reducible to linear means, so can I take some transformation so that this may be reducible to linear? If it is not Bernoulli,
Yes.
you think of some substitution which will convert into linear, not necessarily Bernoulli. Okay. So what should I do first? So shall I divide with z first? Now, did you get any idea now? Because of this, now what you want me to do next?
Log z equal
Log
to
Z.
u.
That's it.
Equal
Log z equal to log z equal to u. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is log z derivative? 1 by z into dz by dx is equal to du by dx. Now, can I replace this 1 by z into dz by dx with du by dx?
Yes.
Therefore, call it as equation 1, call this as equation 2. Therefore, your second equation becomes du by dx plus 1 by x into u equal to 1 by x into u square. What kind of equation it is?
Linear
Linear.
in
Bernoulli.
Bernoulli, no?
Bernoulli.
Okay, which is Bernoulli's dE. Okay, sometimes dE may not be directly in Bernoulli, it may be reducible to Bernoulli also. Okay, once it is Bernoulli, you know how to solve Bernoulli. Okay, divide with u square and so on. Complete it parallelly. Do it fast. 1 by u square into du by dx plus 1 by x into 1 by u equal to 1 by x. So let 1 by x equal to 1 by u. 1 by u equal to say v. This implies that minus 1 by u square du by dx equal to dv dy by dx. Therefore, 1 by u square du by dx equal to minus dv by dx. So call this as equation 3. Equation 3 becomes minus dv by dx plus 1 by x into v equal to 1 by x. Okay, so this implies that dv by dx minus 1 by x into v equal to minus 1 by x, which is linear in v. Okay, therefore what is integrating factor? E power integral minus 1 by x dx to e power minus log x e power log 1 by x. So this is 1 by x. Okay, therefore call this as equation 4. Therefore general solution of 4 is v. Now the dependent variable is v. V into integrating factor is 1 by x equal to integral of 1 by x into what is right hand side function? Minus 1 by x. Okay, so minus 1 by x into dx plus c. So v by x equal to what is integral of minus 1 by x square? Integral of minus 1 by x square is
1 by x.
1 by x plus c. What is v now? 1 by u. So this implies that 1 by ux equal to 1 by x plus c. But what is u? U is
log z.
log z. Therefore, this implies that 1 by x log z equal to 1 by x plus c is the general solution. Is the general solution. Do you understand? So this is a DE reducible to Bernoulli and hence reducible to linear. So this is a DE reducible to linear. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just take one more problem. Y dash plus x sine 2y. Y dash plus x sine 2y equal to x cube cos square y. X cube cos square y. Now tell me what to do. Any suggestion? Is this linear? Is this linear DE? No. Is it Bernoulli?
No.
It's not Bernoulli. So what should we do now?
Divide by cos square y on both sides.
Right. So first we shall write this as dy by dx plus x into 2 sin y cos y equal to x cube cos square y. Okay. So we don't want to see this cos square y on right hand side. Therefore first to divide with cos square y. So that means what? Multiply both sides with the secant square y. 1 by cos square y is secant square y only. No? So when I do that, what do you get? Or I'll write like this: 1 by cos square y dy by dx plus x into 2 sin y cos y by cos square y equal to x cube. So what is the next step? Secant square y
Equals to
dy
t.
by dx plus 2x into 2x into cos gets cancelled. Sin y by cos y is tan y equal to x cube.
Tan y.
Now you must be getting the idea. What could be the substitution?
Tan y equals to
Tan y equal
tan
to
y.
u, and you know
U.
derivative of tan y is secant square y. Okay, so let tan y equal to u. Okay, so this implies that secant square y du by d sorry dy by dx dy by dx equal to du by dx. Okay, so call this as equation 1. Okay, call this as equation 2. Therefore 2 becomes a secant square y dy by dx means du by dx plus 2x into u equal to x cube. What kind of equation it is?
Linear.
Linear. So we are able to convert directly from a differential equation to linear. Previously, the d is reducible to first Bernoulli, then Bernoulli to linear. But here, without getting Bernoulli, directly you are able to get a linear differential equation. Okay, so which is a linear d, which is a linear d in u, which is a linear du in u. Therefore, what is integrating factor? E power integral 2x dx.
2x.
2x dx. What is this integration? E power x square. Am I right? Therefore, call this as equation 3. Equation 3. Therefore, general solution of equation 3 is dependent variable. What is dependent variable? U into integrating factor e power x square equal to integral of e power x square into x cube dx plus c. Then how to do the integration? What is your substitution?
X cube. Write x cube as x
X
square into
square.
x.
Let x square equal to t. Then 2x dx equal to dt. Am I right? So this becomes, this x cube can be written as x square into x. Then x dx becomes dt by 2. Am I right? So this can be written as e power t. I can write it as x square into x. X square is t, and x dx. X dx becomes dt by 2. dt by 2 plus c. Is this clear to all of you? So this is 1 by 2 into integral of t e power t dt. And you know what is integral of t e power t? What is that? E power t into t minus 1 dt plus c. Now what is the t? T is x square. So this is 1 by 2 e power x square into x square minus 1. So why dt again? I don't think dt is necessary, right? Integration is over, no? Plus c. So what is the left hand side? U into x square, u into e power x square. But what is u? U is tan y. U is tan y. Okay. Therefore, so tan y into e power x square is equal to 1 by 2 e power x square into x square minus 1 plus c. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So problems are like this. So will you take 2 problems as homework? Okay. So homework problems. Homework problems. First one, phi dash minus cot y dash minus cot y plus x cot y equal to 0. Y dash minus cot y plus x cot y equal to 0. Second one, y dash minus y dash minus 2 cos x cot y plus sin square x into cosecant y into cos x equal to 0. Cosecant y into cos x equal to 0. So try these 2 problems. Okay. If you are not able to solve any problem, we'll discuss. Will you try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so we have completed the discussion on type 8 also. Okay, so what is remaining? Only type 6, I think. Only problems on this type. Okay, so this we will discuss after your mid examinations. Okay, except type 6 problems. I think we have covered all the things. Okay, now I shall give the summary of this first order differential equation. Okay, first order first degree differential equations, how to tackle the given problem, because in exams, okay, because we have been doing problems under each type, okay, at least your intuition says that this may be linear, this may be linear in yx, and this may be reducible to Bernoulli, like that. Okay, you have little bit of confidence, but in exams, okay, only differential equation will be given. What type it will not tell. Simply you will be asked to solve the differential equation. It may be type 1 or type 2 or type 3 or type 4 or type 5. It can be type 8. Okay. So it's solving a differential equation is not a big deal. If you are good at integration, just apply the method and solve the differential equation. That anyone will do. But what is the challenge in here is identifying the type of differential equation. If you don't know what type of differential equation it belongs to, then what method you will apply to solve the differential equation? Okay, so in differential equation, identifying the type is more important than solving the problem. If you can identify what type of problem it is, then apply the related method and you will get the solution. Okay, so when that expertise, only when you have experience. Okay, experience will come through practice. Okay, so when you solve more number of problems on differential equations, then you will get a good experience. That experience will help you to solve a new problem in a new situation, because in exams nobody knows what kind of differential equation will come. Okay, it is not necessary that the problems that I discussed in the class are going to come in examinations. There is no guarantee. Okay, I'm giving you theory and how to tell you how to solve the problems. Okay, so and you grasp that theory and apply that your knowledge to solve a new problem in a new environment. Is it clear to all of you? Now I shall give you a summary in the form of a tree diagram. Okay. What is the general form of first order first degree differential equation?
Y dash equal to f of xy.
What is the other form?
mdx plus ndy equals.
Right. So summary of methods in first order first degree ODE. Okay, what the general form is mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Mostly you will see differential equation like this, mdx plus ndy equal to 0. So when a differential equation you see like this, what is your first task to do? To check whether it is exact or not. So this can be classified as exact DE, exact D. What do you mean by exact? Dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou x. When you will conclude it as non-exact, when dou m by dou y not equal to dou m by dou x. So if it is exact, you know how to solve. Apply the formula, you will solve. You will find out the general solution. Done. If it is not exact, how do you proceed? How do you proceed when it is not an exact? Check whether it is linear or non-linear. If it is linear, it can be linear in y, or it can be linear in x. If it is non-linear, how do you check this task? If it is not linear, is it
Bernoulli.
not necessarily Bernoulli. In the last problem, directly we were able to reduce to linear, no, without getting the, am I right? So ask yourself whether it is reducible to reducible to linear, reducible to linear. Okay. Okay. What other question is? It may not be reducible to, not reducible to linear, not reducible to, not reducible to linear. So reducible to linear, how? By Bernoulli, like Bernoulli's, or by a substitution, right? By a substitution. Bernoulli's, it can be Bernoulli in Y, or it can be Bernoulli in X. Do you understand? Have we done problems under each type? Exact, non-exact, linear, linear in Y, linear in X. Okay. Reducible to linear means it can be a special case of this, that is Bernoulli in Y, Bernoulli in X, or by a substitution. If it is not reducible to linear, it can be it can be any other type, means by integration factor method. Okay, by using use of integrating factor. Okay, any other type. Okay, use of integrating factor, how many I discussed? We are yet to do problem, but you know, type 6.1, 1 by mx plus ny, type 6.2, 1 by mx minus ny, type 6.3, 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou m by dou x equal to function of x, then e power f of x dx is integrating factor. Type 6.4. Okay, any other type involves non-homogeneous type or any some other type. Okay. So this is type 5. This is type 5. This is type 6. This is type 6. Okay. Is this type 6 or type 7? This is type I think this is type 7, right? This is type 7. And this is type 8. Type 8. Okay. Next. Any other type means it can be reducible to variable separable. It may be reducible to, that means type 2, or it can be type 3 also, or it can be type 3 means homogeneous. It can be type 4 also. Type 4. I did not write type 1. Do you understand why? I wrote 2, 3, 4. What is 5? 5 is exact. 5, 6 is here. 7, 8. I wrote all types except type 1. Can you think of why I did not touch type 1? What is type 1? Variable separable. What is general form of variable separable? Can you tell me?
M dx.
M is a function of x, right? N is a function of y, dy equal to 0. Now, is it exact or not exact? Check. What is dou by dou y of m? What is dou by dou x of n for a variable separability?
Zero.
Because m is purely function of x. So function of x differentiating with respect to y means 0. What is dou n by dou x?
0.
0.
Zero.
So
Zero.
dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x means what? The d is a exact.
Exact.
Therefore, type 1 is actually a special case of type 5. Exact. Every variable separability is actually exact differential equation. Do you understand? So type 1 is also covered under type 5. Is this giving a overall picture of the discussion? Okay. All of you, do you write down in your notebook this tree diagram? So if you not only for mathematics like this, you can develop tree diagrams for other subjects also. Okay, after the end of the unit, you try to summarize your understanding in the form of a tree diagram, so that you will know, you will get a better understanding, and you will see the insight. Okay, and you will see the different relation between the concepts. Okay, so what is there in exams is linear. In exams you have type 5, exact is there, linear is there, linear can be in y or x, and type 8 is there. Okay, it can be Bernoulli or it can be directly reducible to linear by a substitution. So this part, and this part is there in your examinations. Is that okay? All of you copied this tree diagram. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So with this, your portion for the mid examinations is over. Just see what is there. Okay. Unit 1, Unit 2 have completed. Unit 3, you have up to exact differential equation. See linear, Bernoulli, and exact differential equation. Till this concept, linear, Bernoulli, exact. Only these three are there included for your first mid examinations. And this differential equation is reducible to exact, which is a type 6 differential equation, and orthogonal trajectories is application of differential equation. These things we will discuss maybe after mid examinations, or if you are comfortable with this syllabus, and if you want me to proceed, I can continue the discussion also. Okay, and in assignment there is a small correction. You see here in your shared document, it is written as COX. Actually, this is cos x. Please correct it. X cos x into dy by dx plus x sin x plus cos x into y equal to 1. Okay. Now you can see there are two differential equations given. Now I think, did I solve this problem or what?
Yes, sir.
I already solved this, huh? Okay, this is what came in examinations also. Okay, so I think you should have told me. Okay, so you try the 10th problem and also homework problems. So any difficulty in solving these homework problems? You're able to solve?